In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private app in HubSpot, a process that allows secure, programmatic access to your HubSpot account's data and functionality. This capability is commonly used for building custom integrations or internal tools, providing a tailored experience beyond the native HubSpot functionalities. The first step is to access the settings in your HubSpot account. To do this, log in and look for the settings icon, which is the gear icon located in the main navigation bar. Clicking on this icon will take you to where all the magic begins. Once there, you'll want to navigate to the Private Apps section. In the left sidebar menu, locate Integrations, and from there, select Private Apps. This will bring you to the area where all of your private app configurations will take place. To initiate the creation of a new app, click on the Create Private App button. You'll now be setting up the basic framework for your app. On the Basic Info tab, you need to provide a name for your app. Think of something descriptive yet concise. For instance, My Custom Integration could be a fitting choice if it describes what the app intends to do. You also have the option to upload a square image to serve as your app's logo, giving it a professional look. Additionally, there's a space to add a description, detailing what the app is intended to do, which can be informative for others who might interact with it within your environment. Next, you'll define the scopes or permissions for the app. Click on the Scopes tab. Scopes are crucial because they specify what data your app can access or modify within HubSpot. It's always best to adhere to the principle of least privilege, meaning your app should have only the access necessary to perform its functions. For example, if your app needs to read contacts, make sure to select the relevant contact-related scopes. Ensuring the right permissions are in place is vital for maintaining security and functionality. Once you've configured the basic info and scopes, you're ready to create the app. Simply click on Create App in the top right corner of the screen. With this done, you'll be redirected to the app's details page where you can finalize your setup. On the Details tab, you'll find the Access Token section. Here, click on Show Token to reveal your unique access token. This token is essential for authenticating any API requests your private app makes to HubSpot. It's crucial to securely store this access token as it grants significant access to your HubSpot data. For added security, it's a good practice to periodically rotate the token. Finally, once your app is created, it will appear in the Private Apps section. Here, you can view the app's details, monitor the API calls being made via the logs, and modify its scopes if necessary. You've now successfully created a private app in HubSpot, opening the door to custom integrations and advanced data interactions.